جورج كيفك؟
أهلا أستاذ، منيح. أنت كيفك؟
الحمد لله، اشتقنا لك.
إيه والله أستاذ، أنا كمان. تعال نرجع نشوفك، نقعد نعمل هيك شي قعدة.
يلا.
أستاذ شو كل يوم أنا عم فوت أول بكير عم نبلش؟
قهوة؟ شو كنت عم تقول؟
عم قول عم نبلش بكير الحصة، أنت عم تفتح بكير.
ما بخاف ما يفتح الزوم شي مرة، عرفت كيف يصير في بروبلمز.
إيه عرفت.
بيفتح قبل ب3 دقايق بكي الانترنت.
إيه نعم.
بتعرف انت بلبنان يعني مع طول كان يصير معي problems. This is why I open before 3 minutes or 4 minutes sometimes.
إيه بيصير.
انت مرات تفوت ما في انترنت، مش هيك؟
إيه أكيد أستاذ، بيروح أوقات،
ايه ما
أوقات بيصير.
لما كان يصير مشكلة معي ما يفتح الزوم.
يس.
This is why I open before a few minutes.
نايس أستاذ.
ما في عطلة دخلك هيدا الأسبوع ولا نو؟ في شي عطلة؟
ما بعرف، ما بعتقد.
من 24 أبريل.
I think خميس بدنا نطلع على المدرسة. كرمال بدنا نتصور، ما بعرف شو. ما بعرف الساعة 11:30 بدنا نطلع يعني. حصة تبعك 12:15، يمكن ما بنوصل، ما بعرف بس
لا
بدنا
الحصة
نطلع
تبع 12
نتصور.
نو، الخميس عندكم مات على الساعة 2.
اوكي اوكي استاذ.
لهم بالعادة يعطوا عطلة مشان 24 إنه جاي السبت.
ايه ايه بيعطوا هيك، اذا 24 بيعطوا.
إن شاء الله يعطوا تنين.
ايه والله استاذ، بدنا ننام.
Do you like sleeping؟
ايه عم نفيق هيك بكير.
كل يوم عندكم زوم بكير؟
نو استاذ، بس انا بفيق بكير يعني.
شو بتعمل بكير؟ بتعمل exercises؟
نو بعد مدرسة بطلع جيم. بس خلص مدرسة بطلع جيم. هلا بسكر امبارح.
شوف سوزان 12:15 she enters the meeting.
نعم استاذ.
أقول سوزان 12:15 exactly she enters the meeting. سوزان.
استاذ عم بيعطش صوتك.
Good morning
Yes.
سوزان. كيفك سوزان؟
I respect the timing. Good morning, Steve. I'm fine. أنت كيفك؟
Fine. George respects timing also.
نعم.
فانا كيفك؟ مريان كيفك؟
Good, Steve. أنت؟
الحمد لله good.
I'm fine.
Fine. Still we have Ruby and Talene. Okay, let's start. In a school, there are 60 students in the economic science class. So 60 students in the economic science class distributed into two sections. Section A, there are 20 boys and 10 girls. In section B, we have 15 boys, 15 girls. Okay, so we have two sections. Section A contains 30 students. Section B contains also 30 students. The principal of this school chooses at random a section. So we choose a section, then he selects two students simultaneously from the chosen section. So the principal of the school chooses at random a section. So we choose section A or section B. Then we select two students simultaneously and randomly from the chosen section. Consider the following events. A, the chosen section is A. B, the chosen section is B. S, the students of the chosen section are same gender. Two boys, not and this one should be or two girls. So here we don't have percentage similar to the previous exercises. How to start, George, with this exercise?
نعمل boys and girls.
How the experiment starts? The principal of the school chooses at random a section, then he selects two students. So there are two steps. First step is chosen a section. Second step is to choose two students from the chosen section. So how to start, Suzanne? So I start with a tree. Either we choose section A or we choose section B. What's the chance to choose one of the sections? Vana, what's the chance to choose
0.6.
section? No, what is the probability to choose 0.5? So I have two sections. To choose one of them is half,
0.5.
50%, 50%. So after I choose a section, I have to choose two students, not one student. Either they are of same gender or of different gender. Same gender, S given A. I can't put the number here. I cannot put it because it is not simply to calculate it. It needs calculation. Or they are of opposite gender, S bar given A, here S given B, S bar given B. So here we have to make calculations in order to calculate S given A. So since he said, first step, we choose a section, either section A or section B. After choosing section A, I have to choose two students from section A. They are either of the same gender or of different gender. Also, if I choose section B, I have to choose two students simultaneously. Part 1. Show that the probability A equal half. How to show probability A equal half? How to discuss it? Probability A هي possible over total. Possible is 1 section A over total section is 2. Probability that A is 1 over 2. Probability that S given A. Who can show that probability that S given A equal 47 over 87? Who can tell how to verify probability that S given A equal 47 over 87? Yes, I am waiting for an answer. S given A means we choose section A. If we choose section A, what is the probability that the two students are of the same gender? كيف يكونوا same gender? Either probability of two boys from section A or probability of two girls from A. Since we choose simultaneously, I have to use combination. What is the total?
30.
30. I have to choose how many students? 2 boys. I have total 20 boys. So C 2 20 plus C2 10. We check, we get 47 over 87. Any questions about this part? Now, probability of S intersection A. What is the rule S intersection A? Who can tell what's the rule of probability of S intersection A?
Probability A times
Yalla.
probability S over A.
A times probability that S given A. Probability that A equal half times 47 over 87 equal 47 over 174. هذا part 2 is done. Part 3. Probability of S intersection B. Equals how much? Equal probability of B times probability of S given B. Probability to choose section B is half times S given B معناتها same gender from the section B. S given B, knowing that we choose the second section, what is the probability that they are of the same gender? Either I can have 2 boys or 2 girls. Total is 2 from 30. 2 boys, I have 15 boys. 2 15 times 2 equals 7 over 29. Now probability of S. Who can tell what is the probability of S?
Probability S intersection A plus probability S intersection B.
Okay, good. Probability of S intersection A equals S intersection A دخلت معنا 47 over 174 plus 7 over 29 we get 89 over 174. For knowing that the principal selects two students of the same gender, what is the probability they are from section B? مريان شو بنلاقي بهذا البارت؟ Probability of a what? Knowing that. شو بحط knowing that?
تحت بنحط S B over S.
تحت بنحط B over S. So probability of B over S. روبي شو بتساوي الرول B over S؟ equal probability B intersection S over probability del S equals who can tell? B intersection S لقينا 7 over 29 over 89 over 174. Equals 42 over 89. Now, part B. In this part, the principal selects two students randomly and successively. ننتبه ل successively. I cannot use combinations. And you have to multiply by the order. So I will have in the economics class, how many boys we will get? Boys 20, 15, 35, 35 to 25. 35 boys. 25 girls. We select two successively. Each selected boy is given 2 books and each selected girl is given 3 books. البوي 2 books, الجيرل 3 books. في واسطة البنات بياخدوا أكتر. So each boy is 2 books and each girl is selected 3 books. Give the three possible values of x. What are the three possible values of x? If I select 3 boys, how much will be x? How many books they will get?
6.
6.
Afwan, but not 3. I have bus here 2. So 2 books, x equal 4. 2 boys, x equal 4. 1 boy, 1 girl.
أستاذ فيك ترجع تقول 3 boys.
ما في 3 boys, no 3 boys. I take
okay.
2.
Okay.
1 boy and 1 girl, x equal how much? How many books?
5.
5. With 2 girls, x equals 6. 2 girls, x equals 6. So we get 3 possible values of x. Find the 3 possible values of x. Prove that probability that x equals 6 is 10 over 59. Probability that x equals 6 equal probability of girl. Equals, who can tell how to calculate the probability of 2 girls? I put 2 overs. To choose a girl, to choose a girl, 25 over 60. This is the first girl. The second girl, what is the possibility?
24 over 59.
24.
24 over 59 equals 10 over 59. The last part 3, probability that x equal, determine the probability distribution of x. Still, we need to calculate 2 probabilities. What are the probabilities that we are going to calculate?
X equals 4 or x equals 5.
Probability that x equal 4 equal probability of 2 boys, boy. So we use permutations. First boy is 35 over 60, 34 over 59. We get x equal 4. We get 119 over 354. 119 over 354. The last thing, probability that x equal 5 equals probability a boy and a girl. Who can give me the result?
35 over 60.
Yes.
$25 over 59.
Mhm. It is ended or still needs anything?
Times 2 factorials.
Times 2 factorial. Times the order. You get 175 over 354. Okay, this is all about this exercise. This is all for today. Please, for tomorrow, solve exercise 12.
Okay.
Any questions?
No question.
George, عم بعدك you still not writing?
Yes.
Okay, يلا have a nice day.
Thanks, Stace. You too.
Same.
Okay. يلا, bye bye.
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 Bye.